In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert code. In Slack, inline code, code blocks, and snippets. If you share code in Slack, formatting it clearly makes a huge difference. It keeps your message readable, preserves indentation, and prevents Slack from turning characters like quotes or underscores into unintended formatting. There are 3 simple ways to do this, depending on how much code you're sharing and how polished you want it to look. First, use inline code when you're referencing a short command or a variable within a sentence. To do this, place a single backtick before and after the text you want to highlight. The backtick is the small character on the same key as the tilde on most keyboards. For example, you might type a command name or a short snippet between single backticks to make it stand out in monospaced formatting. This keeps your message compact while making the important piece of text easy to spot. Next, choose a code block when you need multiple lines or want to preserve spacing and indentation. Start a new line, type 3 backticks, press enter, paste, or type your code, then end with 3 backticks on a new line. Slack will show the code in a neat block. Keep the original formatting and prevent emojis or formatting from interfering. For extra clarity, you can add a language name immediately after the first 3 backticks, like typing 3 backticks followed by a language, so Slack can apply syntax highlighting where available. This is ideal for function definitions, configuration files, or anything more than a single line. Finally, for longer or more robust sharing, create a code snippet. This is best when your code would overwhelm the chat window, or you want a shareable file-like item with a title and optional syntax highlighting. Click the plus button next to the message field and choose the option to create a text snippet. Paste your code, give it a concise title, and pick the appropriate language so syntax highlighting looks right. Then choose the channel or person you want to share it with and send. The snippet appears as a compact attachment in the thread, opens cleanly for review, and is easier to download or reference later without cluttering the conversation. To recap, use inline code for quick mentions, code blocks for multi-line clarity, and snippets for larger reusable shares. Whichever method you choose, preview before sending to make sure spacing and indentation look correct. With these options, your code will be clearer, easier to review, and far more helpful to your teammates.